Okay, kids, whenever you're ready, go ahead. Let's see it.
2, 3. Allie, come on. Come here. Come here.
Man, stop.
Come on. No, I'm going on that one. Here. Ready? I'm going on this one. Ready? Come on.
Okay, Dakota, go! Yes. For some reason, that other thing isn't slippery.
The other tarp's not. No, it's a different plastic. It's not smooth. It's woven stuff, and you know, I probably need to get a better plastic to slide with.
Is it fun? Is it fun? Try it without that thing. She doesn't like it.
You don't like that?
Try it without your air mattress. Just why?
I'm gonna go. Ready? Put it down. 1, 2, 3, go. Yeah. Ready? Just go.
That's awesome.
I think Allie wants one of you guys to take her with you.
Going on my knees. Wanna go?
Her candy necklace is probably dripping candy.
Oh yeah, I'm sure it is.
Oh God!
That's all the way off. A little bit of a grass burn there.
I died!
Go, Allie, go. 1, 2, go. 1, 2, go, Allie. Go, baby. Come on. Let's go. Let me see.
She wants to go.
That is so rad. I love it.
Oh! Oh my gosh.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
She says no every time.
Yeah. She doesn't want to go, but she doesn't want to be left behind. Oh, there we go.
Take her on your lap, yeah.
Just go on your knees. Yeah.
That was awesome. Yay!
Do it again. Do it again. Go do it again.
We'll have to give them some footage of this, honey.
Oh yeah, we'll give it all to them.
Ready? Ready?
Good one, Zoe.
Dummy. Wanna go? See if we can win.
It's all
That plan didn't work out so well, did it? Try it with one of those air mattresses.
Allie did a little roll. She likes it now, Papa. Look, yay, Allie! Good job. She's like she cook in.
Do it again, Allie.
That's so cute.
Oh, God. Want to go? Come on. Come on. Come on. Wait for me. Come on, Allie. Here.
How cute is that? Yay! Whee! Yay! That's awesome, you guys.
Go. Hold on, top, please. Hold on, please. You want to go down? Hold on, Allie.
She's digging that now.
Yeah.
Yay, Sally!
Yeah, take her sandals off, Coda.
That was so funny.
Shoes off? No.
She's a daredevil little 2-year-old. Oh my God.
Yay!
Honey, hey, Dakota, I know she doesn't want you to do it, but she wants those off.
Allie, you want to take your shoes off?
No.
I'm not wearing shoes.
Ben, no. He wants to go up
Wanna
so
go?
bad.
Come on.
Okay, I need to put some more shampoo